We're on our way to a road race, and it starts in about 2 minutes. Like, I don't know, a mile and a half that way. So, we're probably gonna miss the start. But they go through this way, so we'll catch them on the way. Besides, we've already been running. Hey, stay away from the road. All right, now I got a conundrum. Is it a conundrum?
Yep.
Because I just saw a sign that says 3 kilometers to the bar where the race is supposed to finish. And the race starts like another 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers ahead of us. So does that mean it's a 5-kilometer race and they typoed? But I already told my kids it's a 3-kilometer race, so if we turn around right now, we'll go the right distance. Or we can go and try to meet up with whoever's racing. What do you think we should do? And we've already been running like over 1 kilometer.
Yeah, let's go meet up with whoever's racing it.
All right, do you want to just walk this way until we run into the racers and then we can start running? Or do you want to run the whole time? I feel like you guys aren't going to make it if we run the whole time. All right, so let's just walk till we see some of those people and then we'll turn around. All right, we ran that way for a while and we didn't see any runners coming. So we're going to walk back to this 3-kilometer sign and we're going to have our own race from the 3-kilometer sign to the bar where it says it's 3 kilometers ahead. All right. Scully's Beach Bar, 3 kilometers. This is our start. This line right here, this crack. All right, once we start, can't stop running. Oh, you false start. Can't stop running until we get there. You guys think we can not stop till we get there?
Yeah.
I don't think you can do 3 kilometers without stopping.
Okay, maybe.
Prove it to me though. All right. On your marks. Go slow. It's not like 100 meters. It's gonna take a while. Set. Go! Hey, slow down up there. You're never going to make it at that speed. Keep going though. Hey, don't run on the side of the road. Run on that side. All right, I like this pace right here. This pace, Bellatrix, you might actually get pretty far doing this pace. All right, this one's still cruising. And then I picked up this one, dropped off the other 2 girls. There's another adult, don't worry. And I don't know, what do we have, like 2 kilometers left? 1.5 kilometers?
I don't think so.
You dropped your flowers?
Okay.
All right, let's keep going.
I'm getting tired.
Well, that one's not stopping. So you either have to go back with your mom, or you guys, do I need to carry you?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Hey look, we made it to the finish line. We ran into a lady who informed us that they started the race late. They postponed the start. So we actually did make it on time. But we don't have time to sit around for hours waiting for them to start. So yeah, we're good. Let's go get some pizza.